Episode 3, Alien Abduction, featuring Alien Adventure by teacher Deanna Sharelle Terry. Oh, what, where am I? A rocket ship? With an alien on it? I must be on a different planet. I must have been abducted by aliens. Oh my goodness. Okay, stay calm. Oh, wow. There's an alien. I hope he's friendly. I come in peace? Okay, I have no idea what you just said, but I'm really glad there's English behind you. Greetings, Earthling. We are so excited for you to take a tour of our planet. We hope you have a super fun time. We know that you will want to return to your home planet at some point, though. Yes. To do that, you must find your way to the interplanetary shuttle. Solve all of the challenges to find the code that will open the hatch. Then you can drop down to the shuttle bay. Good luck. And what do these notes say? There are many surprises along the way. Here's a free gift to get you started. Just click on the box. Oh, it looks like this is a lava lamp. I'll just put that over on the table. And there's a note inside. It says, "You're invited to a birthday party. Little alien X-23 is turning 1 year old. Join us in the rocket ship." Oh, well, this doesn't sound like such a bad place if they have birthday parties. And this black note says, "See if you can do these extra challenges. Find the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper. Find a flying cat. Jump up the big slide on the rocket to the birthday party." Tip: if your avatar gets stuck and can't move, try jumping while pushing forward. To unlock the gate, move the light blue notes into the magic boxes. So I guess I move these light blue notes into these magic boxes, and that will open the gate, hopefully. Oh good, it did. And this looks like our first challenge. So it says, unlock the gate by moving the right answer into the magic box. And we can use this chalkboard, it looks like, to work the problem. So I'm going to write the problem on the board, 100 minus 73 and let's see. We have to start with the 0 minus 3. We can't take away 3 from 0, so we have to borrow, right? So this will become a 10. We'll cross off the middle 0, which will become a 9. And we'll cross off the 1 that we're borrowing from, which makes that a 0. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. And 9 minus 7 is 2. And we have 0 over here, so just 27. So our answer is 27, and we'll move that over into the box. Oh yay, another alien. I hope he's friendly too. Let's see, it looks like he said, "Mr. Glixel is waiting for you to unlock the treasure chest and get him out." I wonder who Mr. Glixel is. Looks like we need to solve these problems to open the treasure chest. In the number 673, which number is in the tens place? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put a bigger sticky note up here at the top so that I can make this number really big. And we're going to slide this up from the bottom. Okay. So I'm going to type 673 in this sticky note so you can see it really well. And then I'm going to type which place each number is in. So the 3 is in the ones place. The 7 is in the tens place. And that means there's 7 tens and 3 ones. and the 6 is in the hundreds place. So there are 6 hundreds, 7 tens, and 3 ones. So now looking at this big number with those places, we can see easily the answers to these questions. So in the number 673, which number is in the tens place? That would be the 7. All right. And the next question asks, which number is in the hundreds place? Yep, you're right, the 6. Good job. Okay, now our next question looks a little bit more tricky because it has a decimal point in it. So let's do the same thing. Let's make a big sticky note with our number in it. 345.678. Make that nice and big. Ah, lost it for a second. If we move it up from the bottom, that works the best. There we go. Okay. So now we know that the numbers before the decimal point are just the same as our last problem, that the 5 is in the ones place and the 4 is in the tens place. I have to make these boxes kind of small so that we can fit them all in here. And our 3 is in the hundreds place. Now, here's where it gets a little bit different. Since we have this decimal, it makes the numbers after it all have a TH at the end of their words. So the names for these places of these numbers are all going to have a TH at the end. Let me show you what I mean. So this time, underneath the 6, I'm going to write the place that that 6 is in, and that word is tenths with a TH at the end. You see that TH? Let me underline it for you, so you remember that, because that makes a huge difference. When they ask in the question about something with a TH, well, THS, at the end, they're talking about after the decimal. So that's very important. And that first number is in the, after the decimal is in the tenths place. There's no oneths place. Okay, so there's no such word as once. So that's just something you kind of have to remember, is that after the decimal, it starts with tenths place. And after tenths, the next place is hundredths. Hundredths with a THS at the end. So the 7 is in the hundredths place. And I will just underline that TH again. So we have tenths, hundredths, and then, can you guess what's next? Yes, thousandths. So thousandths has a TH at the beginning of the word and a TH at the end of the word. Thousandths. So the 8 is in the thousandths place. So we have the 6 in the tenths place, the 7 in the hundredths place, the 8 in the thousandths place. And this one wants to know what's in the hundredths place, the 7. And the other question wants to know what's in the thousandths place. Do you know the answer? Right, it's 8. Oh, look, the treasure chest is open. And there's Mr. Glixel. Oh, he looks and sounds like a robot. Hi, Mr. Glixel. You would make the perfect birthday present for X23. I think I'll take you with us. Yeah, you're excited about that? All right, let's go. Oh, wow. What a spectacular view. It's so pretty here. Okay, I see our next challenge. What is 45.21 minus 3.01? All right, let's write it on the chalkboard. And since this has decimals, we need to make sure to line those decimals up so that we get the right answer. So 45.21 minus 3 point right under that decimal. And see how I've lined those decimals up? .01. That was the vanishing pen tool that I just used. Oh, and I forgot to take it off that. So 3.01. Okay, so we'll always start on the farthest to the right, of course. So we're going to do 1 minus 1 first, which of course is 0. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. And then we're going to bring that decimal down so that it's still lined up. And the way you can know if it's lined up is how many numbers are after it. So we have 2 numbers after that decimal. So you want to make sure that you have 2 numbers after that decimal every time. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 4 minus nothing is 4. And I forgot to take it off the vanishing tool. Again, the vanishing pen tool. So our answer is 42.20. Let's see, which one of these is that? The purple one. Oh, look at that little monster. I mean alien, not monster. He's cute, huh? He says, help, the baby got himself stuck in the box. We have to solve the story problem to get him out. Okay, Olivia and Alina wanted to see how far they could jump. Olivia jumped 27 inches and Alina jumped 35 inches. How much farther did Alina jump than Olivia? So, since we're trying to figure out how much farther Alina jumped, that means we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So we write the bigger number first, 35, and we're going to subtract the smaller number, 27. That will tell us how much farther Alina jumped. We can't take 7 out of 5, so we have to borrow again. And make that 15, cross out the 3 and make that 2. And 15 minus 7 is 8. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So we just have 8. So we have 8 inches. That's the yellow one. Oh, and look, there's the baby inside the box. Aw. Oh, he's cute. That's a cute alien baby. Okay, come on, Mr. Glixel. I think we're getting close to the rocket ship. Oh, look, they make sound. Huh, that's a cute little flying saucer, huh? All right, what's our next challenge? Oh, this will be an easy one. 20 plus 12. There's no chalkboard, but I think I can just write on the building. Let's see, yes. So 20 plus 12. It's always easier for me if I write it this way. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 32 is our answer. See how easy that was? Oh wow, I wonder what this alien has to say. Hey, did you see that shooting star? So cool. I wonder where it went. Wow, he kind of sounds like a frog, doesn't he? Millie had 3 groups of toys. Each group had 4 aliens in it. How many aliens were there altogether? Put your answer in the magic box behind the present. Okay, so the magic box is back there. And then it has a hint. Let's see. So there's groups, so we need to multiply. Okay, so if you're just learning how to multiply, the best way to do it is to show the groups. So I will do that. First, I'm going to write 3 times 4 because we have 3 groups and there are 4 aliens in each one. And now I'm going to show the groups. So we have 4 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 4. Well, I'll do 3 groups of 4. So first group of 4, second group of 4, third group of 4. And if we count those all up, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's our answer. So 3 times 4 is 12. So we'll move the 12 over into the magic box. And let's see what's in this present. Oh, it's the shooting star. X-23 would like the star too, I bet, but I'm going to give it to this alien because he liked it so much. Yay, he's very happy now, Mr. Glixel. Oh, Mr. Glixel, what are you doing in that box? Oh, look! It's the stairs to the rocket ship! Yay! We're almost to the birthday party! Ooh, that sky is so pretty. What does this sign say? Caution, slippery ramp. Be careful not to fall off. Okay. Ooh, look at the view. Oh, this is slippery. Oh, I'm inside, but there's nobody here. I wonder where they all are. How do we get to the birthday party? It's up on the top floor, so I'm not sure how we get up there. Mr. Glixel, are you coming? Be very careful on that ramp. It's really slippery. Oh, good job. You made it. Awesome. Well, we have some food over here. Space burgers.
Yummy, yummy.
I had some friends that made space burgers. Control panel, and I don't know what this thing is. Oh, and it looks like there's a downstairs over here. But first we need to solve this problem. Okay, it says 10 aliens ate dinner. 4 of them went to sleep. How many aliens stayed awake? So if 4 of them left and went to sleep, that means we're going to subtract. So we're going to write the bigger number, 10, minus 4, to find out how many aliens were still awake. And 10 minus 4 is 6. Oh goodness, look at all those alien eggs. And then a cup of hot chocolate in the microwave. I wonder when those eggs are going to hatch. Now let's go downstairs. Oh, bunk beds, nice. Sounds like the aliens snore just like we do. And here's our problem. Cambry had 2 quarters, Rowan had 2 dimes. How much total money did they have? Since it says total, that means we're going to add. And a quarter is 25 cents. And Cambry had 2 of them, so we're going to write 25 twice. And then Rowan had 2 dimes, and dimes are worth 10 cents, so we're going to write 10 twice. And then we're going to add all of that together. So 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 70 cents. Let's see if that's right. Yep. Oh, look. That's a cool lamp. Is there a table to put it on? Oh, there is. Just going to put that there. And I'm going to turn it a little bit so that you can see the purple and the pink. And what's in this treasure chest? It looks like another robot. It is another robot. And it's cute. But I don't think I could bring that and Mr. Glixel. Can't carry both of them. Where is Mr. Glixel, by the way? Oh, he's still upstairs. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get back up there. Maybe if I go this way, there will be a way to get back up to the main floor of the rocket. Oh, first let's check out this viewpoint, though. Oh, look at this little koala. He's like a Chinese rabbit koala. Oh, look! There's the cat, the flying cat. You remember at the beginning it said to look for that? Oh, I need to remember to look for the Little Dipper and the Giant Dipper too. Or the Big Dipper. Oh, it looks like there's a ramp to get it back up into the rocket right here. Perfect. Let's get Mr. Glixel. Sorry, Mr. Glixel, that we left you behind. This time you get to slide down. Oh, look at these plants. These are awesome. I love them. Wow, look at that view. Come on, Mr. Glixel. Hey, there's a sign ahead that says, "Join us for the party!" Yay, we made it! To get to the top of the rocket, try quickly jumping up the ramp. If that doesn't work, very carefully climb the stairs. We'll try the ramp first, but first, look at all those beautiful planets. So pretty. Oh, here's the stairs. Let's try the ramp. That ramp is pretty far up. Well, that didn't work the first time. Let's see. It used to work to jump up, but they've been having a little trouble with it lately. So let's try the stairs instead. Oh, look at that view. So beautiful. Oh, I see balloons. Oh, it's a long way down, Mr. Glixel. Here, you go ahead of me. Let's see, can I put you in there? There we go. Oh, look! It's X23!
Happy birthday!
X23, I brought Mr. Glixel for you. Happy birthday! I hope you like him. Ooh, look. You can see really far from this rocket ship. I also have the perfect koala tails to show you for your party. Want to see?
Yes, I want to watch it.
Oh, wow! Look at the koala kids. They're dressed as aliens, and it looks like they're at the planetarium today. Is this your first time visiting a planetarium?
Yay!
I just love going to planetariums and learning about space. There are so many exciting facts about space. I know 15 fun and cool facts. Do you want to hear them?
Yay!
Okay, here we go. Our first cool fact has to do with how far the moon is from the Earth. When we look up at the moon at night, it looks like it's pretty close to us. But you could actually fit all the planets between the Earth and the moon if you were to line them up in a row. That's how far the moon is away from the Earth. The second cool fact is about the stars. They're so beautiful. Did you know that when you look at the stars at night, you're actually seeing them in the past? That's because the light takes so long to travel to us that you're seeing the stars how they were at least 4,000 years ago. So now you can tell your friends that you can see the past. Our sun is an enormous ball of gas giving life to us on Earth. It is so big that you could actually fit over 1 million Earths inside the sun. Even though the sun is so big, it is nothing compared with some other suns out there in the universe. Look at that little tiny dot. That's our sun compared with the other ones. Now let's talk about the planets. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, it's not the hottest. Venus is. That's because Mercury doesn't have an atmosphere. But Venus gets so hot, it can snow shards of metal. That's dangerous. Now let's talk about the red planet, Mars. Mars has a lot of canyons, but there's one that's my favorite. My dad used to tell us about it when he would do astronomy presentations at schools and for scout groups. This crater looks like a smiley face. Can you see it? Here's the head, here's the eyes, and there's the mouth. Okay, so it's a little bit of a strange sideways smiley face, but it's still cute. Mars also has the biggest canyon in the solar system named Valles Marineris, or Mariner Valley. At its longest point, it could stretch from New York City to Los Angeles, and it's as deep as Mount Everest. That's one huge canyon. Next, let's talk about Saturn. Saturn is so cool, I have 4 fun facts about it. The first one is that even though Saturn is so huge, this is how big it is compared with the Earth. It's a ball of gas and not solid, so if you had an ocean big enough to put it in, it would float. Saturn has the most moons of all the planets, with 146 counted so far. And Saturn's rings, that are famous, are made up of particles, some of which are as big as mountains. Just like Jupiter has a giant red spot that is a storm that never ends, Saturn also has a storm like that, only it's shaped like a hexagon. Isn't that crazy? I wish I had a video of it, but you can go online and look it up. It really is incredible to see. Uranus is a really beautiful planet, as you can see. It also has rings, but they're so small that it's hard to see them. Another fun fact that my dad used to tell us about had to do with one of the moons of Uranus, named Miranda. Miranda has the highest cliff in the solar system. This cliff is 12 miles high. To give you an idea of how high that is, the highest cliff on Earth is only 1 mile high. If you were to jump off the cliff on Earth, you would die. Sad. But if you were to jump off the cliff on Miranda, you would float down so slowly that you would actually make it. That's because the force of gravity is so much less on Miranda. We're to fact number 11 already. Neptune has a moon called Triton that rotates backwards. It rotates in the opposite direction that Neptune does, and astronomers aren't exactly sure why. Now, I know Pluto isn't considered a planet anymore, but I still wanted to talk about it because it's really cool. Very cool. As a matter of fact, it's so cold because it's so far away from the sun that instead of having volcanoes that spew lava like we have on Earth, Pluto has ice volcanoes. And you got it. They spew ice. That would be amazing to see. Just wait until you hear this fun fact. This planet is called 55 Cancri E. It's located far away from Earth, 41 light years away. It has been nicknamed the Diamond Planet. It's mostly made of carbon, and the surface temperature gets up to 4,000 degrees, crystallizing that carbon into diamond. So it might look something like this on 1/3 of the planet. Or it might just look like carbon. I don't know. Even further out into space, over 12 billion light years away, scientists have discovered a massive floating ocean with more than 140 trillion times the amount of water found in all of Earth's oceans. And finally, our 15th fun fact, and probably my favorite. If gravity were slightly stronger, the universe would collapse into a ball. And if it were slightly weaker, the universe would fly apart. So, gravity is exactly what it needs to be in order for us to be alive. And that is our 15 fun facts. I hope you enjoyed them. Did you like my facts?
Yay! That was awesome. But what about aliens?
Oh, you're wondering if there's other people out in the universe?
I want to see an alien and invite him to my birthday party.
Well, the fact is, with all of that being out there in the universe, it is kind of silly to think that we're the only people who exist. However, if there are other beings out there, they would live so far away that it would take them 1,000,000 years to get to Earth.
I wanted to invite an alien to my party, but I won't live to be 1,000,000 years old.
Don't worry, I'll dress up as an alien and come to your party.
Yay!
That was so fun, and I wish I could stay, but I have to get back to my planet. I've got to get back to Koalaville. How many angles does a triangle have? Well, let's draw a triangle and find out. A triangle has 3 sides. And here's one angle, another angle, and a third angle. So 3 angles. Oh, look at this guy. I love stargazing. How many stars do you think there are in the sky? I wish I had a telescope with 5 eyepieces to see them all. That would be interesting, a telescope with 5 eyepieces. Cameron has 10 stars. Piper has 15 stars. Isabella has 25 stars. How many stars are there in all? We're doing a total again because it says how many are there in all, so that means we're going to add. So we're adding 10 plus 15 plus 25. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10, and we need to carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So 50 stars. Let's see, it's the purple one. Oh, doesn't look like anything's in the chest, but there is. It's a telescope. Doesn't have 5 eyepieces, but at least you can use one of your eyes for it. Oh, and there's a meteor over here. Ooh, that was loud. Ooh, there's the rocket ship. Such great views in this playground. You're almost there, just 2 more challenges to go. Oh, good! Hopefully something magical in this box will give you a boost. Ooh, let's look at the view out this window. Oh, look, Saturn has a star on it. That was pretty cool music. Okay, Megan gave $4.50 to Danica. Danica gave $2.25 of that money to her friend Jade. How much money did Danica have left? So, it's asking how much is left, so that means we're going to subtract. We need to put the bigger number on top. So $4.50. And remember, the decimals need to be lined up again. Minus $2.25. Okay, we can't take away 5 from 0, so we have to borrow. And make that 5 a 4. And the 0 a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Remember to bring that decimal down. I don't have it lined up great. It's kind of a diagonal, but Making sure that you have 2 numbers after that decimal. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have $2.25 left. That is pink. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, it's a crystal. Let's put this... Let's see, we have a crystal in that windowsill already, so let's put it in this windowsill. Nice. All right. Only 2 challenges left, and we'll find the interplanetary shuttle. Yay! Oh, look at that. Is that what I think it is? Do you see what I see? Look up in the sky at the stars. I think that's the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper. Let's see if we connect them. Yep. There's the Big Dipper. And here's the Little Dipper. Yay, we found them! Awesome! Wow, that was hard. I almost missed those. Oh, look at this cute little alien. I have a super surprise for you in the vault. To open it, make sure to complete all of the problems in the room. He has a cute little laugh, too. Okay, looks like we have some subtraction problems to do. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 4 minus nothing, we just bring that 4 down, is 4. So 421. Yep, it's the red one. All right, next is 276 minus 23. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 2 minus nothing is 2. 253. Purple. Oh, the vault's not open yet. Oh, there's one more problem hiding over here. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And bring the 7 down. 713. Now let's see if the vault's open. There it goes. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. It's a rover of some kind. That's so cool. Let's see if I can get out of this vault. Oh, and let's click on this little rocket. Wow, that's cool. That would be awesome if I could ride in that thing. Well, it looks like we're going up even higher. Wow, this is a lot of stairs. Oh my goodness. It's the cutest alien of all! Yay, you found the secret code!
Yay! Yay!
Take it with you up the stairs!
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Okay, so we need to open that chest because it has the secret code in it. Let's see what it says here. Count by 25s and put the numbers on the blocks in the magic boxes. Start with the smallest number in the first box and count up. Then get the secret code from the treasure chest and take it up to the next level. So we have to start with 25 because that's the lowest. And then we have to count by 25s up. So just like if you were counting quarters. So 25 plus 25 is 50. Plus 25 is 75. 25, 50, 75. 100. See if I can get that in there from here. Oh good, it opened the box. We have the secret code 1321. Nice. That happens to be my favorite number. Okay, let's take it up to the next level. Let's see what this sign says. Put the secret code in the magic box by the hatch. Ooh, look at those tall crystals. Oh, the hatch is opening up. Awesome. I guess I have to fall down all the way down there. That's a little scary. Well, here we go. Geronimo! That wasn't too bad, actually, after all. Ooh, a control tower. And here's a runway. We're getting so close to the shuttle. And there it is! Yay! We've reached the shuttle! So excited. Yahoo! Now I can get back home to Koalaville. So exciting. And I can tell them all about my adventures on this crazy planet. Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for a great time. And thanks to all of you for your help.